Hi YouTube family, my name is Elysia English and today is a really exciting day. We are going to get the rest of the demolition done in our bathroom makeover. We're so excited to be teaming up with our favorite brand Home Hardware to do this renovation, and we have picked an outstanding design to be able to do. This room is going to be a showstopper. We are going to get ready to get the rest of the demolition done because the installation of this bathroom is in the works. Let's go.
Smashing time. I need to pick my weapon of choice.
What do you want to use right now to destruct? The axe! Alright, buddy. Oh,
You can't use that.
mommy rules. Oh! And no damage. No! Yeah, buddy!
Guess what
Good job.
He's done it for the ball. Good
Oh
job.
yeah.
Well, that's not correct.
How do you feel right now?
Better. We're not doing rage because I just lost a battle royale second. I'm just gonna.
You're not doing that in the new bathroom.
I think you need to let your brother have
It's
some
all
turn.
day.
I could do this all day.
Mission: destruct the bathroom. Do you accept, soldier?
Yes.
Which weapon do you choose?
Well, I first want to see if I can hit a hole with this area in here.
Yeah, give her a go.
That's definitely where the wood is.
Here.
You have to use it like that.
Destruct the bathroom. Do you accept, soldier?
Except
Which weapon do you choose?
the axe.
What? I'm so glad that we're getting to this part of the bathroom because this ceiling was driving me crazy ever since we purchased this home. I'm 5'7". I'm not a tall guy by any means, but this ceiling, it almost felt like claustrophobic, and Elysia has claustrophobia, and you have to shower every morning, and you get in there, and you feel like you're being sucked into a hole, because it was just
terrible.
so short. It was gross. Like showering in a cave, so I'm so glad to get this roof, and I have no idea why they even put this attachment on. It's silly. I have no idea why this was up here. It was just so weird. An extra compartment above the bathroom. I guess you could put towels in there, but it wasn't done nice. It was just cobwebs and disgusting, gross. I wouldn't want to put any fresh linens or any towels up there, and you couldn't reach it anyways.
Even with a step stool, it would have been difficult.
So having this roof up there is just, it's gotta go.
Whoa!
Honey, I see something.
What?
There's something behind the wall.
Stop it. We were just joking. What if we found cash in the wall?
Come. We were seriously.
Did you find money on the wall?
I don't think so, but there
I'm
is
trying to get-
something hidden in the wall. Come
Hold
here.
on, I'm trying.
This is hilarious.
Hold on, I can't get over to you. Where?
Behind here. We gotta get this.
Like you can see something in the wall.
Oh, it's someone's.
What?
It's someone's old
Old shaving kit. Hold on, I gotta back up so I can see you. Oh man. Oh wow.
Well, why is it hiding in the wall?
I have no idea. Dusty.
Yeah.
Ew. I'm worried for you. What you're gonna find in there?
Why do I have to open it?
You found it. Oh.
Okay, so, but here, if I find it, do I get to keep whatever's in it?
Well, considering you have a
keepers.
beard, you might need a shaving kit, so we'll let you use it if you,
Super dusty.
if you find it. Doorway demolition. We're gonna
Is
take
on
off
its way.
this doorway so we can make a pocket door. Wow, hon, this bathroom's looking really nice right now. This is getting worse. Dream bathroom on its way. Oh, I've already done 3 garbage bales full of debris on the floor and loaded stuff to the trailer.
Oh yeah.
And it's still just coming off the walls.
There's a big change in the bathroom right now. And we have our very own ensuite for right now, but...
So Philip and I have just finished getting a lot more of the demolition done, and we really wanted to open the bag with the kids because we thought it was pretty exciting that we found something in the wall, whether it's of any value or not. We think it's just an old shaving kit, but we just thought it would be super fun to let the kids open it and discover what's inside because we've thought of a really neat idea on what we're going to do with the bag once we empty it. So the boys are gonna figure out what contents is in this old bag. Pretty fun that we found something inside the wall.
Yeah.
What do you think could be in there?
I think it is like an old working purse or something like that.
Yeah, could be.
And it might just have some very old tools that they've accidentally left in the wall, and then they built the wall and stuff.
They closed it in?
They
Yeah,
closed
they
it in?
forgot it
There
in there.
might be some tools in there.
Ooh, that'd be cool.
That'd be
Some
cool.
old tools. What do you think's in there, Chase?
Well, I'm hoping maybe some money.
Yeah! Yeah! Me and Mommy were like, oh, I hope it's filled with cash. On that note, let's look inside.
Okay.
Dust bunnies for sure.
Oh,
All right, pull it
There's
out.
stuff in there.
Pull whatever's in it.
Okay,
out, and
one
then-
thing at a
This was
time.
the first thing I saw.
Okay.
Old Spice Super Rich Moisturizer. Well, it's pretty full though. Okay, what else is in there? Ooh, Hotel Packet Conditioner.
What's a hotel?
Says, oh, the Constellation Hotel, Toronto, Canada.
Ooh.
Okay.
This.
What's this?
Oh, this is.
Gelusil push through. Some kind of medicine or something.
Yeah,
Tell
a
you
bunch of them
so.
in here.
There's a bunch. Oh yeah, there's a bunch more here. Let me get the medicine out. Someone really needed the gel cell. Q-tips.
Yeah.
Unused,
Hey, we
thank
needed
goodness.
those.
We were looking for Q-tips. Yeah. Gross.
And
Those are
there's
going in the garbage.
this.
Constellation Hotel, Toronto, Canada soap.
Ooh.
A little metal aspirin. 12 tablets.
What
It
is
feels like it's full. I'm wondering if there's a date before I
Oh, show that to the camera.
look at it. It's a
Oh,
super
that
old
is.
aspirin.
what is that for there?
It's just a little part of the tin, I think, but let me see if it sounds like there's. Oh! Fast relief from headache, cold, and gripe. Ivory soap. Soap bar.
And then there's a comb.
Oh,
Yeah.
very, very yucky comb. More. Oh, shampoo. So we now
Shampoo.
have the set shampoo and conditioner.
Toe clippers.
Oh,
I didn't
toe
want him
clippers.
to
You don't
Toe
have to do that.
I didn't
clippers!
want him to
Your brother
grab
was trying to
them.
save you from touching toe clippers.
Why was
Oh,
the
and
wall-
more toe clippers.
What? Multiple toe clippers?
Ew.
Ew,
A lot
I
of-
think those things were
Used.
He found a ring.
A ring?
It's a teeny tiny little ring. Look at it. It even has diamonds on the top.
Yo, you found diamonds?
Show your brother.
Okay, I gotta see it. I gotta see it.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
It's so tiny.
Hold on, hold it still. Is it gold?
There's a print in it. I just can't. I can't. It says something K,
Maybe
but I
maybe it
can't
says
read what it
XOXO.
says.
Maybe it says XOXO.
No, it says something K. 14K.
14 karat.
14 karat.
It's real gold.
Let me see.
Oh my gosh.
Good find. High five.
I was like, I saw
14
this.
karat.
14
I
karat.
saw the.
It's so tiny. I don't even know. Look at look how small it is.
Will it fit on Dave's finger?
Let me see. It's even too small for Dave.
Pinky?
Pinky finger.
Pinky ring.
Ring.
Oh, I can like.
Me?
I almost couldn't get that off.
Probably me.
Oh, it fits Dane's pinky. Bling bling day. Right.
Hold on. There it goes. Perfect. 2 diamonds.
That's such a
And-
small ring.
It looks
is
like a
such
little
a small
butterfly.
ring.
It's so cute.
We thought this was super fun that we found something in the wall because this bathroom was built by the man that built this house like before Daddy and I even owned the house, right? So whoever the man was, Daddy thinks maybe he was taking a shower with his shaving kit, you know, bathroom supplies when the bathroom wall wasn't done, had a shower, and then forgot it there when he closed up the wall because it was kind of tucked behind, which is super funny. So we thought
because when Daddy and I were tearing this down, we were thinking, wouldn't it be so cool if we found something cool in the wall, like money? Because we couldn't get the top open, right? So we thought it would be really fun if...
How much money would the ring be worth?
We'll have to
Well,
look it up.
first
We don't
off,
know.
it's gold. It says 14 karat, which is better than money, I think.
Better than money. I think it's fun anyway.
It
Yeah.
has 2 diamonds,
Super
Oh
fun.
yeah.
but it's so small.
We'll have to
Well,
get it appraised.
Daddy and I thought that since we thought it would be super cool if we found something in the wall in this old needing updated bathroom, that eventually in however many years someone else will maybe own this house, or maybe someone else will have to renovate this house, and they'll be like, oh, this bathroom is old and vintage, and imagine if we found something cool in the wall. So we thought it would be neat to take these things out and put some of our own things in here that would be fun for someone to find if they found this bag in the wall later on, like a time capsule, right? Remember we talked about time capsules before? So we thought over the next couple days we can think about what we want to put in here to hide in the wall, so Daddy and I will close it back up in the same spot on the wall, so one day someone else might find what we left in here, because that would be super fun for them, right?
Yes.
Okay.
But like, what if we never leave this house?
Well,
No, yeah, but
yeah,
like
but
when
it's
we
still
get old,
fun. When we get old, if we ever
Right.
redo the bathroom or something,
Yeah.
we'll find it.
we're gonna put a time capsule
Don't
in
worry.
the house.
Okay.
Okay.
YouTube family, we need your help. What items do you think we should put inside this bag as a time capsule to put in the wall when we close up the wall this week, putting the walls back up in this bathroom? Because we think it would be super fun to put this bag back in the bathroom in hopes that maybe one day someone might find the treasures that we leave. Because we thought this was super fun to find even Q-tips and old aspirin in the wall. The gold ring was just a bonus. That wasn't expected at
The
all.
gold
So
ring's
super fun.
amazing.
Super fun.
Yeah.
So we are having a blast doing our renovation on this project, and we're really excited to have an updated bathroom, and it's just fun that these little adventures are happening along the way. So Philip and I are now ready to start putting things back in this bathroom space. We appreciate all of your support, so thank you so much for watching. We love you, and we will see you on the next episode.